Hello everyone, welcome to NIOS. Today we are going to talk about NIOS platform, that is National Institute of Open Schooling. And first of all, I would like to introduce myself. So here I am. My name is Nisha K Ma'am and I am teaching from last 17 years in different boards. And because I am a language teacher, so I always prefer that my students become confident and lifelong learners, because language skills are very much used in our daily day-to-day life. First of all, we talk about what is NIOS. So NIOS is National Institute of Open Schooling, formerly controlled by Government of India and is established by the Ministry of Education in 1989. Basically, it's aimed at those students who are not able to go to the regular school or regular studies. They can complete their degrees in this way, in the year when they have the time to give the paper, because NIOS conduct twice in the year the papers, so you can get your degree, secondary or senior secondary degree over there. So that's the thing. Now we are talking about English. You all know that language. So speaking, listening, reading, writing, all these four parts are there of a language. So English as a subject, it plays a very crucial or significant role into the personality, uh, basically the development of the personality. So it includes effective communication, access to knowledge, okay, and career opportunities. Different kind of careers are based on your spoken English, and sometimes how you write the English, the communication in English, which is included in soft skills. It's very important, and actually, it is widely used globally as the medium of communication. So, definitely, English is a very important subject for the student. Okay, studies literature. If you are studying literature and your language would be sharpened, so your thinking would be creative, right? It will convert into the creative thinking. So English is important in that way. It gives you global connectivity and it gives you personality growth as well. So English is very important to today's world, right? Now we are talking about senior secondary syllabus, because I'm going to explain you that how the syllabus would be there in senior secondary exam in English language, and how we are going to teach the chapters, and how you people are going to give the answers, write the answers in that way. So as you can see that syllabus is bifurcated into two parts. First is TMA, and second is public examination. So TMA is basically for your reading purpose, where one worksheet kind of thing would be available by NIOS only. So 5 questions would be there. It's a kind of assessment, right? So 5 questions would be there, which I am going to prepare the answer, and you need to write and submit to the NIOS platform. And rest, if you can see, the second part, that is public examination, that's having 60% part. So these chapters I'm going to teach you, and then we will discuss the worksheet, the question answer, the test, everything would be taken care of, right? So number of chapters would be 22. And here number of chapters are 14 in TME. So 40 and 60% bifurcation will be there. And next, now these are the optional modules. You can see first for the receptionist, and for next would be for the communications. So you can see these chapters. Basically, these chapters are related to office English, right? Or language which is used in the offices or somewhere in the professional places, right? So how to manage the telephone, how to talk to on telephone, how to write an email, what kind of report writing would be there, job applications, memos, letters. These part would be there. Here you need to choose one module. So either A or B, depends on that. You can see that 26A, 26B chapters are divided in that way, right? So that we need to choose while you are filling the examination form. Now here is the question paper. If you can see, I have taken a screenshot of the question paper where you can see that 39 questions would be there in total. And then the bifurcation of marking is also there. That how many questions are having 1 mark, how many questions are having 2 mark, how many questions are there having 3 mark or 4 mark or 5 mark. Everything is written over there. You will get it in every paper. Whenever you are going to attempt the question paper, the bifurcation would be written in the very starting, right? So 39 questions would be there, which would be taken from that 60% student which we have done earlier, right? For the public examination. Now, weightage of objective. Okay. Now, knowledge, understanding, and application. For example, knowledge means what information you get from the chapter. The questions are based on that knowledge. Understanding, what you understood by that particular character or the story. The questions are based on that. And application, basically, it is of the writing questions. For example, you're writing a letter, you're writing an essay or a paragraph or a report writing. So these kind of thing would be there. Here you can see weightage by type of questions. You can see over there, I have already shared that screenshot. It was written that question 1, question 2, question 3, how many questions are having 1 mark or 2 mark. So it is already written over there. So bifurcation of marking is also there. You can check over here. Right? Very short answer, long answer, and essay type questions. Everything is there. Now here it is written how many marks would be divided among the chapters. So poetry is having 10 marks. Okay, all the poetries. I guess we are having 7 poetries are there in the chapter. So 10 marks. Prose is having 15 marks. Comprehension vocabulary, that means unseen passages. Unseen passages and unseen poetry would be having 25 marks. Then grammar is having 15 marks. Writing skill, as I was saying, letter writing, paragraph writing, these are having 20 marks. And the optional modules, which I told you, module A and module B, you need to choose one that is having 15 marks. So in total, 80 marks would be there. Now, this is the level of questions. How many difficult question, what is the percentage of difficult question or average question and easy question? So it is given over there. Now, what we provide you as the instructor and educator, what we provide you, that is assistance enrollment, that how you are going to fill the examination form or how you are going to fill that admission form, how the exam will be conducted, when the permission letter or the call letter would be there, how you're going to submit your TMA, either online or offline. We are going to give you all these assistance. Then complete preparation of examination. So as a teacher, as your English teacher, I would provide you the answers. We will check the question answers. We will discuss the question answers. I'll explain the chapters. Test would be there. Weekly test would be there. Chapter wise or unit wise test would be there, and we will discuss the previous year questions paper as well, because we are having 2 sample papers in each year, so we'll discuss them. And then practical examination, because English is not that practical subject, so that help also you will be getting in other subject. And TMA writing, which will be provided by us only, so that you can copy and you can just write down the answer, in your 20 marks would be fixed. So this is all for the day, and I have explained you the syllabus, the way you are giving the exam, the way we are going to help you. So I hope we will meet soon. Okay, very well. Have a good day.